What is up, guys? Weather Kids 0904 here. I am going to be showing you guys of how to get on the old Weather.Gov update. I just found out how to get it on there. So what I'm going to do is, this is the new update. So you're going to go to the new tab, and then this is the website that you're going to go. I'll give you guys a hint. So it has the W1, so do the W1.weather.gov, and if you type with the W1.weather.gov, here's the old update. This doesn't have the hazardous weather outlook on it because there's a newest update from that other one. So compared to this one, this is the old update versus the new update of the weather.gov. How cool is that, guys? Ready? Let me show you one more time. The old update versus the new update. So, do you guys like it? Comment below. Alright, guys. Peace out.